What is going on, dudes? Dudettes? Yes, I am. Last night we tried to do a Will It microwave video and it just kept failing and failing. We did get a couple things done. It looked a little something like this. Welcome to another episode of Will It Microwave. We got another microwave, see? So we got a few things we're gonna microwave today.
A bunch of CDs.
A bunch of CDs. We're gonna try the matches again. This didn't work last time, did it, bud? And we're also gonna microwave a bunch of crayons.
I'm lighting on fire.
Oh, what? Whoa!
What the heck is happening?
Oh my goodness.
The plate got too hot.
Did the plate get too hot?
Yeah, the plate's on fire.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Let's take that one out and keep doing it, okay?
Oh.
Oh, it's doing it again. Oh. Okay, stop. Oh, look at it running out of the green.
That's so cool.
So we have microwaved CDs before, but we've never microwaved 7 CDs at the same time. These. Okay, hurry, run. Run.
Whoa.
Run. Look at them all, bud. Well, that one's not doing anything over there.
Oh, no.
Oh, there it goes. Check this out, they all melted. What is it that we're gonna try, bud? The matches? Okay, you wanna put them in?
Yeah.
So do we ever play with matches?
No.
You never play with matches, ever.
Okay.
You push
Start.
Yep.
Nothing's happening.
No. That's not working. My camera was wigging out. I don't know, maybe we just bag this Will It microwave tonight.
Ready.
But the camera started failing and the microwave was, I don't know. It's a new microwave, it should work. So, I don't know. We'll get back on it. We'll get some good stuff microwaved this weekend for you guys. You wanted it, you wanted more, so we'll do it. She was sick this morning, like right when she went to school, like turned ghost white, started heaving, so she stayed home from school. And she's been watching stuff like this all day. So it's time for her to turn it off before this brain turns to mush. And he's been riding his motorcycle so much, right?
Yeah. My flag got popped.
That his tire popped. So we've got to go fix his back tire. We've got to fix the back tire on his motorcycle before he can
I wish you guys could feel it.
ride it. Might be a little bit tricky. I've got to fix that before we can go out on a ride, so flat. Wash my hands. Tell you a little bit about that. That sucked way more than I thought it would. You had the chain in the way, you had the brake system. Luckily, we had that extra tube because that'll let me repair this one while we know that that one's good. Because there's nothing worse than repairing a tube, putting it in, and finding out there's still a leak in it. All right. The dudes want to go for a ride. Gotta close my garage. The dudes want to go for a ride, and the weather is awesome. Pretty excited. This weekend, I'm gonna go with a buddy up to Idaho to pick up his new trailer. So that should be pretty awesome. All right, where'd they go? I gotta catch up. We have a bread factory just over there, about a half a mile. And when the wind is just right, our neighborhood smells like fresh baked bread. That's pretty cool. We took a pit stop so they could play in the stuff. Hi. Somebody in the comments said that they wanted to see more of her. They called her a sexy lady.
Yeah, I look really sexy right now.
Oh, je poop up. So, that was a short little vlog today, but I wanted to get something up. We did some stuff. I have all this stuff I want to put on there. I've got a best bud right here who's ready for bed.
No, I'm not.
You're not?
You're ready for bed.
I guess I'm ready for bed.
This is my evil eye.
Let's see. Whoa, that's a spooky evil eye, dude. Let's see it again. Whoa. He's got to get ready for bed. Maddie's getting out of the shower, getting cleaned up. She's going to go to bed. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. You rock. This is the best. You're the best. We'll see you guys tomorrow. See you, dudes.